At around 11 a.m. today, Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong called for a meeting on Mission Bhumiputra at Dipu Circuit House with principals and headmasters of various schools and colleges under Karbi Anglong district. Deepakar Nath, IAS Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, chaired the meeting. Principals and headmasters from various schools and colleges under Karbi Anglong district attended the meeting. District administration aims to provide caste, tribe certificates to all students studying at class 9 to 12 currently through this mission at their own respective educational institute. Deepakar Nath, IAS Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong, while speaking to us, informed that the meeting was purposely called to discuss about the Mission Bhumiputra with the principals and headmasters of private and government educational institutes. Doubts and queries raised during the meeting were sorted and resolved.
जी তেওঁলোকৰ কাষ্ট সাৰ্টিফিকেট আছে OBC বা ST বা SC এই সাৰ্টিফিকেটখন আমি তেওঁলোকক স্কুলতে গৈ দিব লাগে সো চৰকাৰৰ ফালৰ পৰা আমাক এটা টাইমলাইন নিৰ্ধাৰণ কৰি দিয়া হৈছে তো অলৰেডি আমি স্কুলবিলাকক আমাক কি ডকুমেণ্ট লাগিব সেই কথাখিনি আমি কমিউনিকেট কৰিছোঁ.
He also informed that by 10th of September, he is expecting all the certificates to be presented at the schools. In Karbi Anglong, as many as 15,000 to 18,000 students are studying at class 9 to 12, comprising both from private as well as government schools. Hence, creating a challenging task to the district administration. But they are also trying to complete the mission within the given time bound.
সাৰ্টিফিকেট ইস্যু কৰিব লাগিব তো এইটো এটা ডাঙৰ টাস্ক সো সেইটো কাৰণে যিসকল প্ৰিন্সিপাল আছিল বোথ গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট স্কুল এজ ৱেল এজ প্ৰাইভেট স্কুলছ তেওঁলোকক আজি আমি আৰু অলপ বেছি ইনচাইট দিলোঁ অলৰেডি আমি 5,000 ফৰ্ম তেওঁলোকৰ পৰা ৰিচিভ কৰিছোঁ.
Longsodar Inti's report from Dipu, Karbi Anglong Live.